All right, here's one more idea for creating an improvised solo, starting with a little bit of chord melody here and then improvising over the rest of it. Again, 2 measures of F, 2 measures of C, 2 measures of G7, and then the C where we're setting up to start singing. So here we go. 2, 3, 4. There's the chord melody. Now improvise G7. So I used Nancy's idea going from the G7 form here to this one. It's very pretty. And in the beginning or the middle of this, when we were coming back to this C chord, I just swung my ring finger up to the 7th fret. We're actually getting a little bit of melody there. Let's try it one more time. 2, 3, 4. Oh, that was good. Let's try it again. There's that chord melody. And improvise. G7, Nancy's G7, and C. See how we're combining these different techniques? And I know for me, it's hard to do a chord melody, perform a chord melody. So I try to grab a little bit of melody line and improvise, for heaven's sakes. So tell you what, let's just play through the whole song together. And as I mentioned before, let's throw that solo in again. And it'll come between chorus 1 and chorus 2. So it'll be one fond embrace before now depart until we meet again. C7 and then we would sing Aloha. You ready? Any questions? Oh gosh, I forgot to turn the recording off. Well, this is going to be one long video. Let's just do it. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Proudly swept the rain cloud by the poly as onward it glided through the trees. It seems to be following the lead code. Farewell to thee, the charming one who dwells among the bowers. One fond embrace before I now depart, until we meet again. Okay, let's throw the solo in again. Ooh, I threw in an extra note there. Chorus 2. Aloha, aloha, oi, eke ora ora no, ikalipo, one fond embrace, ahoy, until we meet again. One fond embrace, oh yeah, until we meet again. Okay, I'm turning it off now.